With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so here's a question. It says that find the distance of point A, B, C from X, Y and Z axis. Okay, so there is a point A, B, C, and we have to find the distance of this point from the three axes. Okay, so let's start. Let me draw the diagram first. Suppose these are the coordinate axes. Okay, so this is our X coordinate, this is the Y coordinate, and suppose this is the Z coordinate. Okay, and somewhere here we have a point that is A, B, C. Okay, then if I draw a perpendicular from this point to the xy plane, that is this, then let's say this point is some Q. Okay, this point was P, this point is some Q. Then the coordinate of this point Q will be, since it is on xy plane, the coordinate Z will be 0, right? And the rest of the coordinates will be same as that of P, because this point lies just below the point P. Okay, so the coordinate of Q will be A, B, 0, right? Now if I draw a perpendicular from this point Q to the x-axis, right? So that will be parallel to the y-axis, right? So this, right? Let's say this point is A. Okay, then the coordinate of this point A will be, since this point lies on the x-axis, y and z coordinates will be 0, right? So the y and z coordinates will be 0, and the x coordinate will be same as that of point Q, because this is perpendicular from point Q, right? So that will be A, right? So the coordinates of point A will be A, 0, 0. Okay, so let's join P to A. So this line will also, this line PA will also be perpendicular to the x-axis, right? And this line PA will basically be the distance of point P from the x-axis, right? So in order to find the distance of this point from the x-axis, we have to find out the length of line PA, right? Similarly, if I draw perpendicular from point Q to the y-axis, that is this, okay? Let's say this point is some B, then the coordinates of B, again because it lies on y-axis, x and z coordinate will be 0, and the B coordinate will same as that of point Q, right? That is B. So the coordinates of point B will be 0, B, 0. Okay, and now if I join P to B, then this distance PB will be the distance of point P from the y-axis. Okay, so in order to find the distance of point P from the x-axis, we have to find PA, right? So if you see in triangle PAQ, since it is a right angled triangle, we can say that in triangle PAQ, we have PA square is equal to PQ square plus AQ square, right? Now PQ, this distance is basically equal to the Z coordinate, right? Okay, this distance PQ will be the same as that of this Z coordinate, because simply this point P has come out when we raise this Q up to a point C, right? So this distance PQ is C, so that will be C square plus this distance AQ. You can see here the y coordinate is 0 and here the y coordinate is B, so this distance is actually equal to B, right? So AQ is equal to B, so PA square is equal to C square by plus B square. So from here we got the value of PA as under root of B square plus C square, right? So this will be the distance of point P from the x-axis, right? Under root of B square plus C square. Similarly, we can find the distance PB, that is the distance of point P from the y-axis. So that will be from triangle PBQ, right? So in triangle PBQ, PB square will be actually equal to PQ square plus BQ square. Again, PQ will be equal to C plus BQ. So from this figure, you can see that here the x coordinate is 0 and for Q the x coordinate is A. So this distance is actually equal to A, right? So BQ is actually equal to A. So this will be C square plus A square. So from here we got the value of PB as under root of A square plus C square, right? So this will be the distance of that point from y-axis. Similarly, here you can see that the distance of that point from x-axis includes the coordinates of y and z-axis. Similarly, the distance of that point from y-axis includes the coordinates of x and z-axis. So in the same way, we can write that the distance of that point from the z-axis, let's say PC, will be under root of coordinates of x and y axis, that is a square plus b square. Okay, so this will be the distance of that point from the z axis. Okay, so this will be the three distances. I hope this will help you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.